Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Side, and today we're here with Scott Bauck and Mark Stender. Both are with Hog Slat. So today we're going to do kind of a demo scenario for you, and Scott's going to tell us a little bit about this new product, which is the fall arrest system. So Scott, I'm going to have you tell me a little bit about the system, and I think our guest star here is going to be doing a demo for us. But tell us a little bit about the system.
Well, this is a new product that Hog Slat introduced here at the show. It's called the fall arrest system. And basically what it is to protect people that are climbing up and down the ladders on farms. And it's a very simple system. It doesn't really prevent falls, it just prevents serious injury. Basically, Mark has on a harness you need one of these for every person, and then this is the lanyard. And then the rest of the system is the cable that's attached to the top. It has a spring tension to keep it tight. And the unique thing about this system is if you look at the top, every other system on the market today, you have to unhook it and hook it when you move up to the ladder. This one you're able to go up and around. Mark, go ahead and show them how you can attach it to the rope. There's Mark's attaching it. As long as he goes up, it'll continue to slide. Okay, Mark, come on down. Once you go past the center point, it's going to stop you from falling. Not stop you, but arrest how far you can fall. He goes ahead and slides it up. Now come back down. And then he unhooks it and moves on to the next bend. We really feel this is an important product because your personnel are the most important thing on your farm. And this will prevent serious injuries when they're climbing bends to do maintenance or repair a roof.
And with some of the crazy weather that we get, not just in the Midwest, but everywhere, a product like this, whether it's wet, whether it's ice, whether it's wind, can be really important.
That's right, and you'll never have to climb the bend on a sunny day. It'll always be when it just snowed, it's
Right.
icy, whatever. And so we really feel like this is an important product for producers.
Very good. Well, thank you both for your help. Thanks for talking through it, and thanks for being our stunt man and going up and down. So thanks again to you both. This is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site.